Dive deeper into the world of fashion innovation with our expanded look at print-on-demand pod automation, particularly in trailblazing online stores like www.skullislanddreams.com. This 4-minute video will provide a comprehensive overview of how pod is reshaping the fashion industry. We'll start by exploring the concept of pod and its significance in today's digital marketplace. Learn how pod allows for on-demand production of fashion items, reducing waste and inventory costs. Next, we'll focus on www.skullislanddreams.com, a prime example of an online store, leveraging pod to offer unique, art-inspired fashion. Discover how they blend creativity with technology to produce a range of personalized apparel, from custom t-shirts to bespoke accessories. We'll delve into the design process, highlighting how artists and designers collaborate to create fashion pieces that are not just clothing, but wearable art. Understand the logistics behind pod, including how technology streamlines the production and shipping process, ensuring a seamless customer experience. We'll also discuss the environmental benefits of pod, emphasizing its role in promoting sustainable fashion practices. Finally, we'll examine the future trends in pod and its potential impact on the global fashion scene. Join us in this detailed exploration of pod automation, where art meets innovation in the dynamic world of online fashion retail.